So the mele Kamali'i O Ka Pō, or child of the night, or child of the time before, really speaks about the responsibility that we have today as the children of the ao, or the children of today of the light. It was written and composed by Kumu Hula Noelani Iokepa-Guerrero. It talks about our responsibility, talks about the responsibility of the generations of today, heeding the words and the wisdoms of our kupuna and those that have gone before us. It asks in this mele, where are you, Kamali'i O Ka Pō? Where are you, the knowledge holders of before, in long past? We are here, the Kamali'i O Keao. We are here, the generation of today. We are here to listen to you. We are here to heed your word and to follow in your footsteps. In hearing the mele at first, it was a message of kuleana and responsibility that really pulled the halau to decide to compose it in a kahiko style. It was first heard on the radio, I believe, by Kumu Hula, and he did it more in a awana style. But when we heard it, the message came clear that it was grounded in kahiko. It was grounded in our roots of knowledge, and thus we created and choreographed Kamali'i O Ka Pō as a hula pahu. Grounded in the reverence and grounded in the seriousness of the message of responsibility and kuleana, and responsibility that we need to uphold the knowledge and the teachings of our kupuna today and make sure that it lives on with the generations that are coming ahead of us. And so you'll see dancing in our line, you'll see the opio, you'll see the youth. They are the Kamali'i O Keao. They are the children of today, the children of the light, that will take the message of our kupuna, the Kamali'i O Ka Pō, and they will make sure that it moves on forever.